So today you're doing lesson 5. And we're going to start with an array. Alright, so here's my array. How many rows do I have? 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there's 3 in each row. So what is the equation for the array? The equation for the array is 4 times 3 equals 12. Okay, now we're going to review the commutative property. If we take this and we do 3 rows and we put 4 in each row, I have 3 rows and 4 in each row. What is the product? The product is the same because the amount didn't change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I just kind of flipped it over. Okay, we're going to do some counting by 4s. Counting by 4s is a little hard. We're going to start at 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. Now, we are going to do some equations. So, 2 times 4. What's 2 times 4? 2 times 4. I think that's 8. So if I put 2 times 4 equals 8. You can do this with me on your desk. You can write on your desk. I'll let Miss G know. Now, I'm going to add another 8. So if I add another 8, if we're counting by 4s here, I'm going to skip 1. So I'm going to add another 8. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fours. So 4 fours equals 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fours is equal to 24. I'm going to skip 1 again. You should see a pattern here. 2, 4, 6, 8 fours is equal to 32. I'm going to skip 1 again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 fours is equal to 40. All right, now we're going to do some counting by 8s. Wow. Counting by 4s was hard. Counting by 8s is going to be even harder. So we have 8. 8 and 8 is 16. Add another 8, 24. Add another 8, 32. Add another 8, 40. Add another 8, 48. Add another 8, 56. Add Add another 8, 64. Add another 8, 72. Add another 8, and I'm at 80. Now I need to come up with equations for this. How many 8s is this? 1 8 equals 8. How many 8s is this? 2 8 equals 16. How many 8s is this? 3 8 equals 24. 4 8 equals 32. So 5 8 equals 40. Now we're going to match up some of our products. So we have 8 here. We have an 8 here. I have a 16 here. I have a 16 here. I have a 24 here. I have a 24 there. I have a 32 here. I have a 32 there. I have a 40 here. I have a 40 there. Interesting. Okay, we have a word problem next. Now, if you're drawing this on your desk, go ahead and erase. You can write the word problem on your desk. Candace uses square centimeters square centimeter tiles. I'm sorry. To find the side lengths of a rectangle. She says the side lengths are 5 centimeters and 7 centimeters what is the area? Okay, so this is your work problem. Candace uses square centimeter tiles to find the side lengths of a rectangle. She says the side lengths are 5 centimeters and 7 centimeters. What is the area? So the best way to do this is to draw a picture. So you can use your desk to draw a picture. Now she says one side, so this is a rectangle. Rectangle. So I am going to draw a rectangle. Now she says that one side is 5 centimeters. But she was using square centimeters. Like in your lab, you have those little orange square centimeters. So I am drawing squares here. So I have to divide this equally into 5. 5. This side has to have 5. necessarily equal, but it is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Great. So this side is 5. The other side is 7. So this long side is supposed to be 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. And in each row there should be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So I should be able to figure out the area. Now it might take a couple tries to get your picture looking correct today. That's okay. Just work with it. If you know one side is, so the bigger side, I would always make my rows. So this was 7, I made it my rows. Then just put however many in each row. So I could have even started with 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now I could draw these squares individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Sorry. Off on my candy. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Do you see how I can build it? I can build it that way too if I don't know what it's going to look like. It'll take more time, but that's okay as long as you're getting the right answer. So that's how we do our word problem. Then I have to do the equation. 7 times 5 equals, and if I don't know, I can count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. All right, so she got 35 for my area. So 35 square units. Make sure you include square units. It's something that they will check for when you do your interim and your CFAs. So please make sure you include square units in your answer. All right. Looks like you're doing a lot of drawing those today. Now we have determined the unknown. So when we're looking at a rectangle, we might have just one side. And you have to figure out the other side. So, for example, you might have a question like this, where it says this side is 2, and it tells you that the area is 12. So 2 times what equals 12? 2 times what equals 12? So if I know that this has 2, and I know that it has 12 in it, I could do this almost like a tape diagram. I could go, well, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 and 12. So how many had to be in each one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 times 6 equals 12. Is that right? It is right. All right. Let's see. Looking at your lesson for today, making sure there's nothing else you need to do. We're doing some more. You're doing lots of unknowns today. So where you have to find the side, the missing side. So if you forget how to do it, it's just like the tape diagram when we were doing division. So I just put this one here, this one here, this one here, this one here. Very similar to what we did with the tape diagram. If you have any questions, you can send me a message on Schoology. And going to be checking Schoology as well as watching your computers. Okay. Have a good day.